are you quiet as if I don't know what I'm saying? They told me that land is yours. You have the right to do whatever you want to do with it. So my point is simple. Go bloom the land. I want to build my new house on the land. Am I not your son? Definitely. Is it a big deal?
Hey, listen real good. I've already started making plans to build on that land.
Definitely.
It's a no-go area for a thief like you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
What is this gorilla doing here? Don't you know the forest where you belong? Anyways, I don't have your time. Mama, that land is mine, and that's final. I must build on that land. Maba.
Now don't you ever step your filthy feet on that land, or else.
Else what?
Listen, you already know what the penalty is.
Again, and our ball.
You know what the penalty is. You know the penalty.
You know the
Listen. You better know how you talk to him. Better know how you talk to him.
Fuck wrong with you. Fuck wrong with you.
Please stop this.
Majage.
Stop this. Both of you should not kill yourselves.
Bayawa.
Please.
Bayawa.
In fact, the land in question is no more mine.
How?
I have given it to my first son, Ojukwu. Yes.
Mama, this better not be true. Listen, what you're just saying right now is just tales. What you mean by that? You already know that land belongs to nobody but me. Fuck, bro, what's going on?
No, Mama. Mama, I have so much love and respect for you, fine and good. But Mama, if you repeat what you just said now, that you dashed our land to your first son, which first son? Mama, Majage. If you repeat it again, Mama, Jage.
Do you want to beat me?
Mama, if you repeat what you just said now, Jage. How will you give out our land to your strange son? Majage, that land is mine. I need to build my new house there. I don't. And as for you, next time, I'll be our family meeting. Don't bring this Obanje. Our family meeting, not Obanje meeting.
Mama, what I'm saying right now is fine. That land belongs to me. I don't want to hear any story about it. You heard? Sweetie, let's go.
If Julie Piatti had given your father's best portion of land to another man's child, that means there is fire on the mountain.
Nah, fire on the mountain by June 12. If there is fire on the mountain, that means Mama has to run because I will not. Nah, Maba, I will not. Over my dead body will I tolerate that rubbish. Better caution Mama. Caution Mama because I will not take it lightly with her. How can I?
That is not possible. She cannot hand such a major property to another man's child because both of you are in the best position to inherit the land.
Listen, Nai, I'm not here for bullshit talks, you know what I'm saying? I'm not here for bullshit talks at all. I beg you take my warnings to her because her head will fall this time. Trust me, you know what I'm capable of doing, you dig?
I will make sure she never succeed with that. But for the meantime, both of you should stay clear from that land until the matter is settled. Until the matter is settled.
How can I stay away from land that dearly belongs to me?
I said that because my brother, my late brother, has spilled the blood of a ram on that land. And according to our tradition, I know what that means.
Nah, listen. I cannot stay clear from my inheritance. That land is my inheritance, so not even my mother, not even that stupid and strange son, not even this chimpanzee here, because my inheritance is my inheritance.
Now let me tell you, let me see you anywhere close to that land and you still the fuck I am. Trust me, I'll call your intellect. Trust me, you know what I'm capable of doing. Dare me and you'll see.
I dare you and your generation. I dare you and your forefathers. Nanya Paul Mokotanga Jage. Nice.
Eh? This is not the right time for both of you to fight. If not, another man's child will claim what rightfully belongs to both of you. It is a taboo to drag a land with your mother, considering the fact that your late father spilled the blood of a ram on that land. Not knowing that Beatty will turn out to be like this by giving that land to another man's child. Because
lie, I won't stay clear from that. In fact, I know what to do. As for you, madam, get what ya? Get what ya? Now, what and Jaya? Madam, what on wa? It what and Jaggy? And maybe if I walk.
Hi.
Man, listen and listen real good. You know what to do. You know what to do because I'm sick and tired of this shit. The fact that I'm here in this field doesn't make me any of you guys. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do the right thing. What did I say? Do the right thing.
Agreement na agreement. Agreement na agreement.
Okay, so I really understand how you feel. I'm sorry on her behalf. Eh? I want you to forgive her, please. Find a place in your heart and forgive her. Eh? I want you to just use this money. Go to the police and bail her. Bail her. When you bail her, drag her home. If possible, get her pregnant. Eh? See, she's still your wife. Eh? Get her pregnant and let's use that to buy time. By the time she goes through 9 months hard labor and then 1 year of nurturing the baby, my father must have died. My father must have died. Then I can now inherit all his properties from which I will settle the quarrel you have with money. I know you are quarreling with Nigerian currency. Whenever money sees you, it will divert. I will settle you. Eh? Just have this money. Please. Man,
only cargo.
And they go up man.
Nollywood, because if it's somebody else, I won't listen to that person. I'm doing this because of you.
Yes.
But I'll do this on one condition.
Which condition?
I will go to the police station and bail her. Yes. But her coming back to this house as my wife, no way. It won't happen. Oh man, see that your sister, she nags. She complains too much. Only cargo. I can't bear her. She complains too much. What a balimu. She insults me at every given opportunity.
See, don't worry. I will educate her on how to respect her husband. I will make sure I do that. See, okay, let's have it this way. Even if you don't want to marry her again, bail her. Get her pregnant for me. Let us use this thing and buy time. Ogezu, wisdom. Use your wisdom. Ogezu, let us use the pregnancy and buy time. See, my father's life is remaining wamba. His life is remaining below low current. See, this man will just die. I will inherit the property and from there settle what problem gonna go. Why is money running away from you, Ogezu? I will settle it. Let us work.
Ogezu.
Aye.
Only cargo.
Okay.
I've heard what you've said.
Confirm.
I will get her pregnant. But you have to help me beg her. Tell her to stop insulting me. I'm just a patient hustler.
Yes.
Let her stop insulting me.
Yes. I will make her understand. Oh, Choco, take this to another council. Use it to start up something on that land immediately.
My other sons are planning to build on it now. Please, please. Biko now.
You see that? Can you see it? What? I must go back to my biological father's house and claim what rightfully belongs to me. I can't be chased out by those 2 boys out of my father's property. Never! It can never happen.
Ojuku, your mother has given you a good piece of land. Now she is giving you money to build on it instead of going to fight with your brothers.
What I want is my inheritance. I want my inheritance and not piece of land. That is not possible. And he had her well.
that my brothers have got under the same parcel of land to build a house. I can't afford to throw what belongs to me to those two boys. Not possible.
Ojukwu, we have killed a goat on that land to confirm your ownership. Yes. Yes, it is now completely yours by tradition. Yes. In a mother drag here. Bikonu. Ojukwu, please accept the money and let peace reign. Please, Biko. Let peace reign. That is it. All we are asking you to do.
I will accept this money.
Good.
But I will never back out fighting for what rightfully belongs to me. I will fight for my father's inheritance. I will fight until I get it. No matter what it's going to cost me. I will fight and I will fight and I will keep fighting.
Ojukwu, please.
Mama, it is my right. Anyhow they want it. It's my right, Mama. And I must get it.
Where have I gone wrong? Eh? Look at Akaja and Dikeh. They're killing themselves there. Kita Ojukwu ebi no go kia.
Nice. Ego and the Olikago. They are cleaning themselves in the village square. Please come and separate them before they kill themselves, please.
Look, young lady, as you can see, I am on a serious mission to go and rescue my brother's sons. If Olikago and Ego cannot use their senses, then let them kill themselves.
But Nai, don't talk like this, eh? They are your children. Everybody has tried to separate them, but they wouldn't stop. Please, let's go so I will separate.
Come on, get out of my way. Get out! Anuman. Easy. Anuman. You cannot give my late brother's property, most valuable property, to another man's son, where you have to search for my mother. Never! Omambe! Ask him, Omambe!
Hey!
Hey, Gene!
Now you there, man?
Huh?
Is that why you are shouting my name in
Yes!
Wamaka Gene, you and I know that your late brother, my husband, completed the traditional right to hand over that land to me. He asked me to do whatever I wish with that land. Yes, if I have chosen to give that land to my estranged son, so be it.
Huh?
So be it.
Not when I'm alive. Not when I'm alive, Beati. Beati! Be warned. Be warned. The fire you are about to start in this family will consume you if you do not retrieve that piece of land from the bastard you call a son. Omambe.
Let that fire end.
Hey, Sigene.
Me okwa. One zoka mini. Yaso. Oge kuki kuku. Yako. I don't care to know. In Anuya.
Is it yaso?
Yes.
Yes.
Whatever that will happen, let it happen. In Anuya. No one will tell me how to use a property that completely belongs to me. Yes. Ojukwu is my son, as well as Dikeh and Akajiak. So I must treat him as one.
Hey!
Yes!
Beati, you have just touched a tiger's tail. Beati, you have just touched a tiger's tail. You have just embarked on a suicide mission. Then let's watch to the end. Let's watch and see it to the end. Beati, I am done with you.
Go home. Go to your house. Go home.
Everybody they right. Nobody they right.
Omu biati ko abana muro. Omu kapuna funirenu. Omu biati kapuna funirenu. Hofuni chenu Teofe, Vienya, Nisea, Nupia can say, Nisea Babu, Nupia can say, Upon Amurumo, Famusio, Tiomeva, nonsense, get out, to hell with you.
Go front to Wahala, go back Wahala, Ijanugu Wahala, Ibiana Neda Wahala.
Good day, madam. My name is Barrister OK Iguta, the legal counsel to Chief Kajata, the owner of this property you are occupying. Here I have a letter of quick notice from the new landlord to your husband.
I think there's a mistake here, sir. That is the wife of the man you are looking for over there. Ochako Maka. Neya, go over there. That is her.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, sir.
Good day, madam.
Good day.
I have a letter of quick notice for your husband from the new landlord.
Oh, Barrister. You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
My husband was the one that sold the property to the new landlord. And we are already making plans to pack out. So I think this letter should be for the squatters over there.
Squatters? Thank you very much. You are right. Madam, the letter is for your husband. I am right.
Oga, this letter should be for the person who sold the property. Because there is no way he will be occupying the same property he already sold. Yes!
Thank you very much. You are right.
You are welcome.
Madam, I think the letter is for your husband.
I thought you said you are a lawyer.
Of course I am.
Fine. So who are you supposed to send this letter? The one who is already packing out or the squatters?
Squatters. You're right. Squatter. You're right. Squatter. Madam, I am right. The letter is for your husband. Hand it over to him and let him do the needful. Take.
Oga, I can see you do not like your left eye. By the time I sharpen it for you, you will know very well that that idiot over there is the wife of the gold digger. Yes, go and give her the letter. Squatter, if you dare refer to me again, I will teach you a lesson that you will never forget. And your left eye will never remain the same. Try me! Try me!
Stop it right now! You both should stop this nonsense and hand this letter over to your husband right now.
Will you shut up and get out?
Are you both kidding me?
Get out! Get out! Get out!
One day, one trouble. Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye ku ibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala dey, wahala dey. Go front to Wahala, go back Wahala. Ijanugu Wahala, Ibiana Neda Wahala. Nwoke fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Nwanyị fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Alili ebu Wahala dey. Nsogbu erika n'obodo, one day one trouble. Wahala dey. Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. Agreement na agreement oh. Agreement na agreement oh. Uka barapa okwisi keche kwe ya. Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya bara nsogbu adị. Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya bara ọgbaghara adị. Agreement na agreement oh. Kabarapa.
I said that we not.
You must, yo. You must. You have to do this to me.
Akajaka, I said I won't. Mambu.
So this is the year, huh? This is the year, huh, man? Okay. Now watch me. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. At the count of 3. What are you counting? 3.
That is the number of thunder that will fire you for trespassing on my land.
Listen, would you mind how you talk to him, man? I'm not your mate. You're big, huh?
Okay.
Listen. Shh. Oh, enough of that shit.
Listen, is this a goat or a chicken? Is this a goat or a chicken? Anke. Is this a goat or a chicken?
Anke.
Anke? Is this a goat or a chicken?
I said Anke.
We are talking about a goat that we are supposed to kill on a land. You brought this chicken in goat form. In fact, Mama, as you can see, I brought a fat goat. Let's go and kill this goat on that land now, to make it mine officially.
Listen, Mama, let me tell you. You bro what smells like you. You know what I'm saying? Does this place look like a quarantine where you can bring all this bullshit and shit? Fuck wrong with you?
Now, on the more to resident permit. Mama, let's go and kill this goat on that land to make it mine officially.
I can't go anywhere with you. And I will not transfer that land to any one of you. Mama.
I'm talking.
Mama, shut the fuck up. I'm not your mate.
Make sure I'm talking.
Shut the fuck up. I'm not your mate.
Make sure I'm talking.
I said shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I'm your
senior.
What you know? Fuck wrong with you?
Is this a goat or
is this what? A chicken? Why would you hit my chicken?
This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye pibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala dey. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala. Ijenugu wahala, Ibiana neda wahala.
Ochuku, please. Go and start doing something on that land. Start building on that land now. As I am talking to you, my 2 sons are going there to kill goats. Please, I'm begging you, go and start up something on that land.
Mama, it's only a foolish man whose house is on fire should be busy chasing rats. First, Mama, I must reclaim my position in my biological father's house before building a house on another man's property.
Ojuku, don't be such a coward. What is wrong with you? The land completely becomes yours the day we killed that goat on it.
So, Mama, I'm not a coward. I'm not a stupid man. I'm not a foolish man. I can't run away from my 2 younger brothers. If I be Bofukeme, I stand up my decision, and my decision is final. Nobody can challenge me, Mama.
Uchuku, no. Uchuku, I gave you that land so that you forgive.
My decision is final.
No, Uchuku.
Nwoke fola mano bone chekosu. Nwanyi fola mano bone chekosu.
Udeme, is it true that your late brother killed an Ebune on that land on giving it to Biati?
Yes or no?
It's okay. Is it also true that he asked Biati to do whatever she wishes to do on that land?
Yes, but on a condition.
What condition?
When my brother said what she liked, what he meant was she could build on it or farm on it or rent it out or give it to any member of our family, not to a total stranger.
Now you know. Ask him whether my late husband, his brother, specified all the nonsense he's just mentioned now.
Mama, you are just thwarting. Mama, you are thwarting, blah, 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 to get my tent. But let me clear you, Mama. I don't want to see you and that away match of a son anywhere close to that land. Else, Mama Njage. Else, Mama, Njali Kogi.
Listen, do not mess with me. Mama said, do not mess with me with that retarded son of yours. Listen, by reason of first son, first come, and first serve, that land belongs to me. Now listen and listen real good.
I'm warning both of you. When I mean both of you. I mean both of you to stay away from my land. Otherwise, you know what I'm gonna do to you? You know what I'm gonna do to you? I'm gonna whoop your freaking ass, mama. That's it? I'm gonna whoop that freaking ass of yours. I'll whoop both of your ass.
My elders.
Mama, I'll whoop your flat ass.
I can't sit here with this drug addict wasting my precious time. As you can see, he's still suffering from the injection he got in prison. But my point is clear. If I see my mother here with that away mat of a son, anywhere close to that land, my bad, that was shaggy.
Now, mama. Okay. Yes, sir.
Nobody be wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye ku ibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala de, wahala de. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala.
You have seen what you cost. I told you passing sense is not passing sense. You have seen what you cost, but I'm going to deal with him. I will deal with him.
You are a black bingo.
Moa.
You are a black bingo. A backing dog. You are a backing dog. Yes, you did. You are a backing dog.
I will deal with him.
You can't do anything.
You can't do anything.
Nobody be wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye ku ibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala de, wahala de.
Papa,
greetings.
Greetings.
Oh no.
Greetings or no?
You're going back to your land now.
I said it.
We're
going back.
Finally, you are going back to your land. Can't want to believe.
Both of you are going back to your land now.
Both.
Our land.
How no?
They are from Amabia village. We were being exchanged for war. When an Dikeh, son of the soil, was killed in your land.
Oh no, I know you are an elder now. How can you be whining me? Oh no, you are an elder, but sometimes in that and I whine, Papa, you are here. Oh no, who is talking this thing? Papa, what is Ono even talking about?
Odembe is not your biological father. You were being given to him to take care of because the gods did not bless him with the material to bear children.
But now I am tired of them. I am sick and tired of your disturbances.
Papa.
Go! Let them go!
Udeme, you have done enough. Our community has decided to forgive Amaba people and let their children back to their land. Okay,
Ndiche, I'm sorry, but I don't understand. Papa.
Mama.
Papa. So I and my brothers are slaves.
So you are the only slave here, not me.
My dear, so it was meant to be. Until log smite on the both of you.
What is the difference?
Came down a plan.
No way! Hey! Hey! See, let me ask you. What about my father's property? My inheritance? Eh? Can go cool agua? Mother, I can't go to No, you don't go. You don't go. Hey! Shut up your mouth.
But you're gone. You better come with us now, both of you. Your people are waiting for you at the village boundary. Otherwise, the youths will take care of you.
Ego youth.
You see, I told you, Papa, like I always tell you, in a hot temper, Papa, Obioko. See, this is what happens when a father does not understand the child. See, I and my sister, we have made peace. Look at us. Hey, go, my sister. You see, Papa, you don't know this. Even the property we have agreed to share. I'm no longer selfish. It's just that you will make the division ratio 70-30 as the Balagi now. 50-50. John, and I'm going to be later for 50-50. Do you want to lose everything? 70-30. 60-40. 70-30. Okay, Papa, we have agreed 60-40.
You listen. 40-60. We are not here for child's play. Come with us immediately.
Oh no, we cannot be this harsh on me now. You know everything. Okay, now see.
I want you to clear here. You know what I mean? Clear from that end to this point. Now from this point to the other end. So that's what you're gonna do. Are you sure you can do that?
I can do that.
Because this shit looks big though. Are you sure you can do, or you want me to call someone else to add to you?
Okay, I can do it. Even if I do not finish it today, I can continue tomorrow.
Alright. So start your job from now, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna do that's two. Alright? Go right. Let me start from hey, listen. Like,
on that point. Do you understand? Hurry up. You have 2 days to clear this piece of land. I'm starting my building in 3 days' time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Get to work.
Yes, sir.
Say together with beginning.
Go that place. Just go down that escalator. Start clearing to this point.
I can do it.
Yaba.
Come right here. Shit. Dikeh is there.
Start work.
Come on. You sick? Are you sick? Are you sick? No, come right here. No, come on, Claire. And you, Mr. John nigga. John motherfucker. All you know do is job. So what you gonna do? Huh? Know what you gonna do? I'm a moving train. Nobody stops me. You know. Oh, that's the real deal, right? Okay. Let's start rolling.
Agreement, no agreement.
Honey, I had a scratch on my head. I had a scratch on. Come help me out. Help me out. I had a scratch. Oh. I would have stayed in California. I ain't on my life. Scratch that shit.
Hey, I saw a scratch.
Scratch.
Hey!
Scratch me, baby. Scratch everyone.
What is scratching you?
Fuck.
Oh, what is scratching you?
I would have been in California. I ain't on my life no more for doing this shit. Scratch everyone.
I'm scratching.
Scratch my teeth.
Now
scratch my back. God knows after this I'm relocating back to the United States. Fuck. Scratch me.
I'm scratching.
Scratch.
I'm cleaning.
You're doing enough, baby.
Oh.
Boo, baby.
I'm cleaning.
Boo, baby.
I'm cleaning.
Scratch my tooth, serious.
What happened now?
The land.
Eh?
That land, do.
How?
That land, that too.
How?
The land.
Land? How?
Scratch it.
Hey!
Scratch it.
Kro. Medicine for gold diggers like you. Yes! Medicine for gold diggers like you. Scratching like a DJ. Scratching like a DJ. Hey!
Scratch me, you're not doing it.
Yes!
Yep. Scratch every shit. Scratch. Scratch everywhere. What is Dikeh? Come on, go on, Zoom.
You too.
The girls will mock up.
Hi! Hey, whoa!
Come on, go on, Zoom. I'm waiting to close number. It's not going.
Oh,
no, nah.
Hey!
Bodo.
Ndo. Hey, whoa. Ndo.
He's waiting to come. His number is not going.
Hi! I don't know. Ndo. Hey.
Bodo.
I will not give up. I will not give up.
Are you there, man? Hey.
Please. Help my husband. Help my husband.
Will you shut up? Let me talk. You don't talk when I'm talking. Hey! Dikeh! Will you let me talk when I'm talking? You witch. Nai, it is my husband though. Please.
Hey, because when my friend because please save my husband. Save my husband. Husband is dying because
Komaka.
It's okay. What happened?
Hey, Nai, please. You have to save my husband. You have to spend some. Shut up! Let me talk. You don't talk when I'm talking. Shut up! Shut up!
I can see both of you are not serious. I will not give up. I will not give up.
Nai, come back!
I will not give up.
Nai! Is it what you cause? Is it what you cause? Don't you feel your left eye?
Everybody they right, nobody they wrong. This side na kata, that side na wuru. Onye ku ibe ya ajụ, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala dey. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala. Ijenugu wahala, ibiana neda wahala. Nwoke fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Nwanyị fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Alili ebu wahala dey. Nsogbu erika n'obodo, one day one trouble. Wahala dey. Everybody the right, nobody the wrong.
This is my father's house. You can drive that on my father's house. You can do it. I am the first son in this house. First son, kill you there. I'll kill you. First son, kill you there. Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it? Mama, come on. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Hey.
So that we can kill him and go to prison.
Come on, please, not you. Oh, Mama.
Control this bastard. Hey, please.
This is my house. Move, this is my house. Come on, I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
The next time I see your stupid leg in my father's compound, see, Okabo Hospital will reject your condition.
Count yourself lucky. Count yourself lucky that I'm in a good mood. Next time you make this kind of mistake, I'll be your last. Walk in here, no, you will die here. Idiot, Mpama. Let that brother kill you there. Mugu. Mpama. Let me see you close to my father's house again. That brother.
Come again. Come my father's compound again.
I am the first son. I am the first son. You can't drag me and you can't push me away out of my father's house. There. Is it there? Mpama, Mugu.
What him now? What him?
Mugu. The house belongs to me. It belongs to me. It belongs to me. It belongs to you. Wait now. Oh, it belongs to you. Come back. Come back. It belongs to you.
Everybody do right. Nobody do wrong at all. This side now, that side now, wuru.
I will destroy you. The house belongs to me. You can't do anything. You can't do
anything. Go front to Wahala, go back to Wahala. Ijenugu Wahala, Ibiana Neda Wahala. Moke fola mano bone chekosu. Mwanye fola mano bone chekosu. Aliliebu. So beauty can obodo one day one trouble.
And rescue your sons before they scratch themselves to death. What happened? He has afflicted them while they tried to trespass on your land. Shibo. Go home now and make your naughty happens to my laborers and sons. Hey. Go home. Look, you are the only one that can heal them because it is your land they trespassed on. Run home now and make sure nothing happens to my brother's sons.
Everybody the right, nobody the wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye kuibe ya, onye juibe ya.
Scratch my 2-0. Scratch my back.
Thunder will fire you without your 2-0. See what you
idiot. You can't come out of my father's house. Come on, come here. Come on. I will destroy you. Come on. Stay there. Bastard. See, tell your mother to warn this bastard soul not to near my father's property again. Not our father's inheritance, so. Because the next move, what I will do to you, I will kill you. Look, this is the first and last warning we are giving to this bastard. The next time I see my father's compound again, I'll skin you alive. You near my father's compound. You can't do anything, no. No, come back now. Come back again. Let me see my father's property. It's my father's property. It's my father's property. You can't travel from my father's property. You think you can chase me from my father's property? You can't do anything. Shut the fuck up.
If not for this scratching shit, I would have caught him in and shit.
So you're the one. Where's this scratching? Ow! You're the one. Ow! Ow!
Onye kuibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe.
Mama, what is it? What is it? Mama, who did this to you? Did you steal from anyone? Mama, they want to kill me. Mama, they want to kill me. Mama, they want to kill me.
They? Hey. Who are they? Who are they?
Hey! Who are? My father's children. My father's children. Umaza kochiti kurum. Umaza tibum. Hakulum bullshit, Mama. Hey!
Ooh, Juku! Hey. Why did you go there again? Why? Your mother warned you not to go to that house anymore. Why did you go there? Eh? Juku, why?
Mama, that's not even the case. Mama,
hey!
Mama, after beating me, these children bundled me. They bundled me to my mother's family. Come if I think I they beat me, they beat me, they dealt with me. Mama, if not that I ran away from them, I would have been a dead man by now. Hey, Mama, if you must have 3 bus stops, Mama, 3 bus stops. Because of Pami for happy and Papa, Mama, they moved me, got to a junction, Mama, they dealt with me. In case second bus stop, in case head to Mama, we move from hang him at that shoulder. We boom boom up, Mama, we come to 3rd bus stop. If you don't come, no, Mama, bullshit. 3 bus stop, Mama.
It will never be well with them, all that they see you. It will never be well with them. God will surely pay them back. God will surely punish them. My son.
Hey!
It's okay. I'm so sorry. Let me just go inside and get hot water to massage it for you. Oh, because can be.
Hey! Because of what belongs to me, Mama. My father's property. I say it here. Mbang!
Oh, yeah. Pour the water inside the horn. Let them drink from it. Are you alright, Aka? Ejike, are you alright?
Hey, are you okay?
I feel better now.
A
little bit.
Elashirahi. Hey! Okay.
A little bit.
What is it?
Mama!
Scratch my 2 zeros. Scratch my 2 zeros. Scratch my 2 zeros. Scratch my 2 zeros. Scratch. Yes. Beati, are you sure this is the horn of the ram that your late husband killed on that land?
Yes, this is the horn. I'm very, very sure.
Why did it not stop the agent?
I don't know. Okay. Maybe it's because I already killed another ram on the land when I was giving it to Ojukwu.
Where is the horn of the ram that you gave?
I gave it to Ojukwu.
Then you should go and get it now, because that is the only horn they will drink from before they can get well. Go and get it now. Run fast at your leg. Drop that in. Go fast.
Everybody be right. Nobody wrong.
Mama, my has gone, no? Mama, stand up now. Mama, stand up. Mama, why is Mama lying like this now? Mama, stand up. Mama, hey, get over here. Get over here. Mama, stand up. Kali. Mama, stand up. Mama is dead. Mama, please don't do this. Mama, wait. Mama, because you're near. Please. Mama, please, he has gone. Mama, because. Mama, please, stand up. Stand up, Mama, because. Mama, please, now, please, don't do this thing. Hi. Mama.
Ojukwu, please, I'm begging you. Please do not allow my children to die. Biko, no Nambiko. That horn is the only thing they can drink from and survive. Nambiko, no.
Mama, can you hear yourself? No, can you hear yourself? The same children of yours who wants to kill me. No matter if no, Mama. You cannot swear if you ask me to commit suicide, Mama. No, ask me to commit suicide.
Ojuku, remember that you have brothers no matter what. Please do not allow them to die, or the whole village will condemn me. Better do something before it is too late.
No, Mama. It's already too late. Oh. Mama, it's already too late. Let them face the consequences of what they did to me, Mama. They should face it. Let them face it, Mama. Mama, stop sharing this crocodile ideas, so I don't come and fear.
Hey, Chibo. No, please help me. Help me talk to him, please. Make him change his mind, please. I'm begging you.
You see? He can hear you. Just continue begging him. It is left for him to change his mind. Okay, for Akam, no, ma'am. Aderia.
Please do something. I'm begging you.
One day, one trouble. Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru.
Why is your mother keeping long like this? Why is he causing all these delays?
Come. Is there no other way we can do this without the horse?
You better run fast and
Come.
Tell
Yes.
to be fast. Tell Beatty to be fast about it. And stop asking her useless.
Let me go myself.
Go front to wahala, go back wahala. Ijenugu wahala, Ibiana neda wahala. Moke fola manobo neche kosu. Mwanye fola manobo neche kosu. Aliliebu wahala de. Nsobu erika n'obodo, one day one trouble.
So,
everybody they right.
Sir, please. Don't let my husband die. Save my husband because don't let him die. Do not let him die because help my husband because please, my brother. I know you are a gentleman. Please save my husband's life. Forgive him for whatever he has done to you. It was done out of frustration, only with his clear eyes. Please, God, forgive him, please. Please, you have to help us.
Look at my daughters in law before you. Whatever that made them to run to this place is a very serious matter. Please, I'm begging you. Now, because I'm begging you. Because I'm tired already. You want me to die begging?
I'll be a fool to go to that house where those idiots conspired and beat me black and blue just a moment ago. Never, Mama. Let them pass through what I am going through, Mama.
Why is it that the hearts of my children are like this? Why are you people like this?
Okay. Since my husband was not among those that beat you up, you should come and save him now. Don't let him die because yes, you dear. Yes, you which one be save only my husband? Save which one your husband? That has no break. Kill you, break your head, your family, your generation. What kind of rubbish is this? Save which one your husband? My friend, shut up. Look at me, shut up. It is your husband that caused all this trouble. It is your husband that beat up an innocent man. They're going to kill you, kill your generation. Your husband, did he not support him? Lie not lie against me. Oh, me, I am lying.
One day, one trouble. Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru.
That's the bastard. Arrest the bastard that killed my mother.
Young man, you are under arrest for the murder of their mother. Oh yeah?
Okay,
To the station.
What is going on
Let's
here?
go.
What is going on here?
Hey,
oh, Shimo, what's pasta?
Hey,
oh, what for?
Hey, okay,
Take it off.
I didn't do anything. I swear, I didn't do anything. Take him to the station. Mama, he killed my mother.
Hey, Mama. Mama.
Oh, Mama.
Mama, they are taking you to the station.
I am
They are
finished.
taking you to the station, Mama. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Hey, Chima.
Onye kwu ibe ya ajụ, onye jụ ibe ya ekwe.
What are you doing to yourself? What are you doing to yourself? It has happened. Kali, you must put the past behind you. You must put everything behind you.
I killed Mama. I killed my own mother. Let the angels open and swallow me.
Kali, I know, it is not all your fault, eh? It's not all your fault. That idiot that caused it all is already facing the consequences. It's not your fault.
I cannot forgive myself. I cannot. I killed Mama. How can I forget that I killed Mama? How can I forget that I killed my own mother?
No, don't say that, eh? It will not open up and swallow you. You are the only brother I have. I've lost Papa. I've lost Mama. I cannot lose you.
Agreement na agreement. Agreement na agreement. Oka parapa okwisi keche kwe ya. Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya bara nsogbu ade. Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya bara ọgbaghara ade.
What you ask is not possible. You see, this case is out of my decks. The murderer has been transferred to the area headquarters.
Hey! I am finished. Please, DPO, do something. Please, who will save me from this trouble? I am finished.
Thank God you know that. Thank God you know that, Biati. Your case is worse than finished. See, if anything happens to my brother's sons, today you will know that the world is not true.
Please, DPO, is there no way you can help us talk to the area headquarters? Just allow him come and heal my sons and they take him back to the cell. Please, I'm begging you.
Mother, not in a murder case like this. I will suggest you seek a traditional help to rescue your sons. My hands are tied in this case.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. Biati, you will meet me at home. You will meet me at home. Biati, you will meet me at home. Thank you, officer.
Officer, Officer,
Calistus! Kali, please stand up. Kali, no!
What's your fault? What actually did you say happened to your brother? Yes. Tell us. Talk!
He has not been himself ever since he mistakenly killed our mother.
What?
I tried to talk to him that it wasn't his fault, but he will never forgive himself.
Ojiofo, tell us nothing but the truth about who poisoned your only brother. We already know that Ojukwu killed your mother. Now my question now is this. Who killed Kali?
Yes. Yes.
Who killed Callistus?
Onyeburu Callistus.
What I am saying is the truth. What I am saying is just the truth. Kali killed my mother. He killed our mother. We only framed Ojukwu up because he caused it all.
Shut up! Shut up, you liar! So you killed your brother simply because you want to inherit your father's properties? Can you imagine? No conscience.
God forbid I will do such a thing. I cannot kill my own brother.
Ojiofo, you must swear.
You must swear.
You must swear.
You must swear. I cannot put in an amebelute. You must swear. You must swear. You must swear.
Because I'm telling you this for the last time. You must swear. You must swear about killing the person that killed your brother. Nonsense.
What you did is evil against your late husband and the entire family. Huh? How could you give out his best portion of land to another man's son? Huh? Is it good? I'm asking you. Huh? This is the height of betrayal against him and your sons. Huh? Now, you listen to me. Should anything happen to those boys, Betty, should anything happen to those boys, you will be stoned to death according to our tradition. And you know it. Wow.
Now you know. It was my late husband who asked me to do whatever I want with the land. Yes, he said so. But you and I know that what he meant was you can farm on it, or build on it, or rent it, or even share with any member of his family. Certainly not giving it to that bastard son of yours. No, please help me. Help me plead with the king to intervene in the police case. I don't want to lose my sons, I'm begging you.
Woman, I'm done with you. See, let me tell you, whichever way you think you can sort yourself out, go ahead and do that. Bear in mind, this message is from the Igwe. Now you may leave. You may leave. Ndiche, I'm done with this thing. Abomination! It will never happen. It will never happen. You will swear, Anuman. Abomination! Abomination! Beati! Abomination! You will meet me. You will meet me. Abomination!
Why you touch me, son? Why are you trying to confuse my elders? Why is he thwarting? Paul Wogocha, go straight to the point. When are you rebuilding my house? Today, this afternoon, tomorrow, talk. That's why we are here.
Ejike, take it easy. He's coming to that. Take it easy.
Go
ahead.
Now you should land.
Well, elders, I just want to say I appreciate everything concerning this whole issue. But one thing is sure, my brother Ejai can't grow. Ejai, you can never grow in the surface head. You can never grow. You can never grow, Ejai. You can never grow. You can never grow, Ejai. You can never, see, you can never grow.
My elders. Why is he deviating from the point? Is this why we are here? When are you building my house or Ghana? Is he trying to confuse you people with his new language?
Please, go straight to the point.
I'm confused. It's okay, elders.
Concerning the second agreement, if I sell my property which has his house on it, I'm going to get him a new crib. If I sell my property which has his own house on it, I'm going to get him a new. When I mean a new. When I mean a new crib, I mean a new house, elders.
Okay.